the family of Andersons lived on Forest Street, and used to walk by their place going back and forth to school. Musty Anderson, Babe Anderson, Bill Anderson played hockey there in Parry Sound. And in fact, Babe Anderson was responsible for my nickname that I had that time, and I don't want anybody to keel over when they hear this, but I was pretty well known on Parry Harbor side as Pinky Stanyer.
Okay. How did you pick up that name?
Well, they tell me that I had the rosiest cheeks of anybody around. They called me Pinky. I grew up in Parry Sound, as I say, and I was married in Parry Sound. And I came back to Parry Sound from overseas. I think all of us remember most of all the fun we used to have down in the basement at the target practice down there. We had targets set up in the basement and 22 rifles that we practiced with, and it was just a lot of fun. And Harry Tate was really good as far as I was concerned. He was one of the guys that.
Were you a good shot?
I must have had some pretty good training because I got my expert rifle marksman badge overseas, so I must have hit the target once in a while.